Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh man, I'll tell you what, we're going to be taking a look at a 144-piece general purpose toolkit that's only 28 bucks on Amazon. And you're saying, Tom, we've seen what you've got. Why do you need this? Well, this really isn't going to be for me. And in fact, I'm going to put this in my truck because I'm always looking for a little toolkit for inside my truck, and this thing is perfect. But you know what it's really perfect for? If you know someone, you want to get someone a housewarming present. Say they just got their first house, or maybe they just moved into their first apartment or something like that. One of your kids has moved out, and you go, thank God. But you want to get them something. I tell you what, this is a great housewarming present because it's got a little bit of everything in it. Just enough of simple tools to get them through some minor little repairs or hanging pictures or whatever they're going to do around their new house or apartment. So let's take a look at it. This is from WESCO. And I'll tell you, let's take a look at it on Amazon first. All right, there it is on Amazon, $28.50. And for 144 pieces, I think that's a heck of a deal. It's actually Amazon choice. Let's take a closer look at it. All right, I can already hear a lot of you people say, well, what kind of quality tools are you going to get for 28 bucks? And you know what? You're right. This is not going to be something that you're going to give to that master mechanic, but this is something that, you're going to give to someone who's just moved into a house and needs some quick tools, or maybe you need some quick tools, or maybe you're just looking for something to put in the camper. Say you've got an RV and you want a simple little toolkit for the RV. Folks, this thing is for you. Let's go through what we all got here. So we do have a hammer. It is a smaller hammer, but it is a hammer. It's better than not having a hammer. Like I said, for hanging pictures around the house, he even got a little level so you can make sure everything is nice and level. I like the case, the way everything snaps in place. Now you got a wire cutter up here. Seems pretty heavy duty. 28 bucks, folks. Yeah, keep that in mind. You've got a needle nose plier there. You've got some. Let's see what size. Those are not actually metric. Those are actually standard Allen wrenches. That's. I was shocked to see that. Even got a little thing that's got some thumbtacks in it, some nails, some mollies. So this is, like I said, it's perfect for your kid's first home. You got a little tape measure here, 3 millimeter. You've got a little adjustable wrench there, and here's all the bits that go with it up there. Like I said, this thing is, you got to keep in mind, it's 144 pieces, and it's, instead of saying, well, we should get them, a good tape measure is 30 bucks. You've got some standard wrenches here. On the other side here, you've got, actually it feels pretty good. A pretty nice, and I think it's magnetic tip. Standard screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. You've got a little adjustable crescent wrench there. You even got a little pry bar here. And then this thing, I think this is some sort of electrical tester. Now, if I was giving these to a friend of mine or a good friend of mine or my kids or something like that, I'd probably take this out and throw this part away because we really don't know how certified that is to be go ahead and stick. I'm not going to try it because, I don't feel like getting shocked today. So that's the only piece in here of this 144-piece set that I would not advise using. But everything else, once again, you got to keep in mind, this is 28 bucks. Just like that. So it's from WESCO. It's their 144-piece tool set for the beginner, folks. Hope this was helpful. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, thanks for watching.